The rain's good for the greens.
They look lovely. How much for a bunch?
For you, dear, just a copper.
I'll take it, and some carrots.
Of course, a fine choice. Here you are, fresh from the garden.
Thank you. They look wonderful.
Enjoy them. Stay dry.
I will. Here's for the greens.
Thank you, young man.
This is delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome, dear.
The tea is perfect today.
It is. The rain makes it better.
Can I have some? Of course, dear. Thank you, Mama.
Let's enjoy this moment.
We're almost there, everyone.
Wow, look how big it is.
It is. Careful on these steps now.
It'll be so cozy inside. Hee, the basket is funny. Yeah, and the floor goes squeak.
All right, let's get these veggies washed.
I'll help you with that.
Just like this, gently rub the dirt away.
Like this?
Yes, that's it.
Let's rinse them. It's getting warm.
Yeah, the fire's nice. Almost done here.
Can I help next?
Of course.
Wow, Mommy, you're so fast.
Thank you, sweetie. Would you like to help?
Me too. Can I try? I want to chop the carrots.
Of course, everyone can help.
This is so yummy.
I'm glad you like it.
Can I have some more?
Of course, here you go. It's a wonderful meal.
The water's so warm.
It is. Now scrub the edges well.
I'll dry this one. This is fun.
You're all doing great.